Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the wild world of modified vehicles and taking a closer look at this pimped-out 1,000 horsepower Mercedes-Benz limo. Now you might be thinking, a 1,000 horsepower limo? That sounds like a dream, but is it really possible? Well, guess what? It's not just a fantasy. It's a reality, and it's a beast of a machine. This car, once a regular E-Class limo, has undergone some serious transformations to become the ultimate drift machine. But what's the secret behind its power? Let's find out. First things first, this limo started life as a standard Mercedes E-Class, but it's been given a complete makeover. The original engine has been replaced with a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter Corvette V8, packing a whopping 1,022 horsepower. Now that's a serious upgrade. The key to this power boost? Those massive turbos that are bigger than your face. They're so big they're almost visible through the hood. Talk about a visual statement. And the exterior design matches the power, with bright yellow paintwork and Drift Limo logos that scream, "Look at me, I'm a drift car." But it's not just about the looks. This limo can actually drift. Backfire Brad, the content creator behind this beast, took it to an event organized by RD48, called the Ice King Battle. This wasn't your average drag race. It was held on snow and ice, adding an extra layer of challenge. And you know what? This limo handled it like a pro. The huge rear wing keeps it glued to the ground, and the sound of those turbos roaring to life is simply incredible. It's like a symphony of power and speed. What makes this transformation even more impressive is the time it took. Brad and his team managed to create this monster in just 4 months, with the goal of making it to the 2025 SEMA show. That's some serious dedication and skill. So, if you thought limos were just for cruising, think again. This Mercedes-Benz limo is a testament to the incredible possibilities of modification and the power of a good idea. It's a wild ride, and I for one am here for it. What do you think? Is this the future of luxury transportation, or just a crazy modification gone right? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this wild ride. Peace out.